In this video, we're going to be covering water flossing. We're using a product, WaterPik Water Flosser, that actually cleans 99.9% more plaque. Now, many of you know that flossing is an amazing way to remove plaque and debris between teeth. And in this video, we would like to go over a few important techniques. Number one, when you're flossing with a water flosser, you need to make sure that you're over a sink. And you need to close your lips so that the water could drip down. You could also use some of these products in a shower. Now, it's very important that when you're flossing, you focus on a systematic approach. You want to floss from the back of the teeth all the way across to the front, and then you want to begin on the bottom teeth, the same way from the bottom back all the way across. Make sure that in between teeth, you're pausing for a second to make sure that there's enough flow and you're removing plaque. Now, as much as water flosser is an amazing way for someone who's older and struggles with flossing, it doesn't replace regular flossing. You gotta make sure that you're interchangeably using the regular string floss. Now, even though this removes 99.9% of plaque, and it helps remove some bacteria and other debris that's in between the teeth, some food remnants. It's also amazing for bridges and implants. It doesn't replace regular flossing. Now, when you're using this, it should be done first. First, you use a water flosser or you floss regularly, then you transfer over to brushing. And after brushing, you use your mouthwash of choice. Check out some of our videos that we have about mouthwashes, which ones to use when, especially for kids or someone who needs to treat their gums or someone who needs to protect their teeth.